Family sharing on MasterClass allows multiple users to access courses under one account. Follow these steps to enable this feature. Step 1. Sign into your account. Log into your MasterClass account using your credentials. Make sure you have an active subscription to access the family sharing feature. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select family sharing. In the account settings menu, look for the family sharing option. Click on it to begin the setup process for adding family members. Step 4. Invite family members. You will see an option to invite family members. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share your account with and send them invitations. Step 5. Confirm invitations. Ask your family members to check their email and accept the invitations. Once they accept, they will have access to your MasterClass account and can start enjoying the courses. Now you can enjoy learning together with your family on MasterClass.